Double tap. 10. Go up.
Yep. We'll see. I see. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I see. It's okay. Yep. There's a lot more. There's a lot more with that comes through. Look at her face. Yeah, it's okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now ladies, as you can see, it's a snack, right? Ladies, as you can see, guys, no homo, but ladies, y'all know I'm very attractive, I'm very sexy, as you can see. I'm the most beautiful guy on YouTube right now. I'm the sexiest nigga on YouTube right now, guys, ladies. And as you know, last week I made a video rating Life of Neily Instagram pics from 1 through 10, right? She made a reaction video to it right here. We got it right here. Tyrekevlogs rates my Instagram pictures from 1 through 10. Reaction. Now y'all know I'm very lit, I'm very entertaining, and I'm very cute. I know I'm the sexiest motherfucker right now. Right? Come on, if I was a girl, man. If I was a girl, I would smash myself, so. Neily. Let's see what's going on with Neily, guys. Oh my gosh. I was going to do a reaction to this, but you know what? I say, yo, I'm not doing a reaction to that video. I'm not going to react to it. This is like a reaction, but I'm trying not to do the screen recording. You understand me? Neily. We all know Neily is very attractive, people, and I am very attractive too. So I won't be surprised if I made her laugh a few times, I made her blush. You know what I mean? And you don't know, say, once I make a girl blush, she like you, you know what I mean? Oh, I think I'm going to say 40. We could see what, let's see what's going on, guys. Let's watch this video and see what's happening. Intro, late by the way, Neily. Just saying. I know the intro.
What is up, Neily gang? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all see that title, y'all already know what's going on. Now earlier, somebody tagged me.
Look at them dimples right there. Just look at them dimples right there. Look at her face. Look at that smile on her face. Shit. Just look at the smile on her face. Let's go.
On Instagram, a Jamaican YouTuber. He does reactions and stuff, so I'll leave the link to his channel in the description box down below. All you don't know, go and check him out same way. Straight out of Jamaica.
Straight out of Jamaica. Yard man thing. You don't know what them say about the yard man. Yo, go.
Right? He did a video. What is it? Rating Life of Neily Instagram pics 1 to 10. And in the brackets,
I see that. I see that right there. I see. She's so happy and she haven't even watched the video yet, y'all. I know she likes me. I know you like me. Like, I know it. I can feel it. If I made... She's already blushing. It's obvious. I need to watch the full video, guys. Let's go.
Hilarious. Also, I never see this video. I don't know if he bashed me. I don't know if he real kicks it. I don't know. So I'm about to react to it. Only make sure to go check him out. Check out his channel. He does some.
Check out the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Like the video. Do we smell a couple's channel? Neily, let's go. I love that picture, by the way, right there. Well, look at them dimples right there. Yeah. I see you. Yeah, it's okay. I got you. Yeah, I got you, Neily. I got you. Go.
For mass reactions, I know I ain't doing much reactions as before, you know, because all who know. All who know, but don't worry, y'all. I'll be coming with some good ass videos soon. As soon as the place open up, I'll still be doing the reactions like in between, but not as much.
I want to see the juicy part, Nelly. Hold up, Nelly. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Right there. Right there. Wait a minute. That's hella far. Wait a minute. That's what I started with? Oh, this is the start of my video. Let's go.
Everybody is calling.
Hey!
Calling.
Moutier!
Tyre, tell yourself.
Look at that right there. I caused that smile right there. I do that smile. Nelly, you like me, Nelly. Nelly. Nelly, baby. Let's go.
Tyre, behave yourself. Reaction boss, behave yourself. Double tap. 10. Guap.
Yep. Mm-hmm. We'll see. I see. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I see. It's okay. Yep. There's a lot more. There's a lot more with that comes from. Look at her face. Yeah, it's okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Let's go. Let's go.
Pops!
Do we need to watch the rest of this video? Like honestly, do we need to watch the rest of this video? Look at all that. Look at that smile. She loves the kid. She likes the kid. It's obvious she likes the kid. Should I DM her, guys? If this video gets 500 likes, I'm gonna DM her. 500 likes and I'm gonna DM her. 500 likes. Let's go.
Reaction personal. Good as long.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Oh.
Yeah, I know. You better laugh. You better look. It's over with. Like it's over with. I told you that if I was a girl, look at me. Definitely, yo. Look at what I caused. That's all me right there. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what.
Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction. Boss. Yo, sorry, I'm screwing on. Yo, people, they are the different kind of video. You read the title. You read the title.
Yes, we see the title.
Right now. Trouble.
Trouble.
I said, people, today we'll have something different. Word, boss. Different. Anything I say right now, we got.
It's over. Let me go through the video a little bit. I ain't gonna watch all this video because we don't know. We ain't wanna like a reacting to a reaction. Let's see what's popping right here for the first pick, right? Let me see what happened. What she say? What she gonna be?
Watch your
If I want you, then I will have voice.
1 to 10.
Correct her on the screen right now.
Okay.
Like the video. Comment the first emoji them. I help me rate the picture them. Right now, got the first picture. Let me say. Okay.
She's blushing. Like, that's what I do. That's what I do. Stop playing with me, bro. Dude. Yo. Put some respect on my name. I'm the sex. Look at it. Ladies see this, they go crazy. Perfect example. I look raggedy right here. Don't get it twisted. I got a Nike and I got the bag on that, but Nike. iPhone 10. But it's a different iPhone right now. It's 11. Let's go.
Caption says you learn a lot by being silent.
Facts.
Is that so?
Yes, it is.
No.
Look at that smile.
She think. And she have tattoo too.
Of course.
Anyway, no, I'm not go to extra volume because I'm look at the picture. Alright, yeah.
What?
That's the look when you know you're falling in love. One pop zoom and look. He really did look at the Smurf. Yes, I did look at the Smurf. What? Of course I'm gonna look at the Smurf. What? Come on, Nelly. Come on, Nelly. Why are you so shocked? No, it's okay. It's okay, Nelly. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. It's okay. Let's go.
You know, I'm going to put extra. I'm going to put them, you know? Alright.
Dog people that actually do that, zoom on people picture.
Yeah, so alright. 1 through 10. This is the first picture. She has smile and thing. And then I say, yeah. Look at flat tomoka. Why are you having them so?
I got her in the back. I got it. I don't need to watch the rest of this video. I don't. I've only watched 5 minutes of this video and I know she likes me. You like me. You do like me. You do. Look at the face. Like, yeah, I do. I like him. She do. It's over with. Like, it's over with. You realize I'm speaking English in this video, so y'all can understand what the hell I'm saying. It is over with. Look at that. Let's go. Let's watch some more.
Why am I doing all that? Right. 1 through 10. 1 through 10. I'll give that one there. Because the first picture, I can't remember Bumbuck myself and give that one there. 9.
Nice.
Clear? Much to give that one.
Yeah.
Next.
I go take that.
You know you did it for 10. You're going to get 10 all day, all night. All right? All 10. Don't get it twisted. Let me go through a little bit. I want to see her reaction to this one right here. This one right here. That one right there. That. Ooh. You all know me in this picture, right? When she blurred out the fast smurf.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Kids, look over this.
That's what I do. Yes. That's what I do.
Right. What, 2 pictures?
Kids, look over the saw.
We.
Come on. Stick cupping.
She know what she be doing to dudes when she posts those pictures, right? People, if this video gets 500 likes, I'm gonna DM Neily again. Live for YouTube. I'm gonna do it on YouTube. I'm gonna do it, DM her. If this video gets 500 likes, I'm gonna DM her. I'm gonna shoot my shot in her DMs. 500 likes. Let's go. Let's go.
Calm down, Tyreek. Should you do this video, Tyreek?
Yeah.
$500 likes. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. 500 likes. Like up the video, guys, and let's get it. Let's get 500 likes. Reaction boss, I sign out. Peace.